now that the impatiens were popped out of the 500 cells, they're going into 4-packs, which will grow for your spring purchasing. So we're working in rows, and we're on a team of 4 on the conveyor belt here, and we're getting them all in there. They all look green, but this is red impatiens, and the roots are already popping out of the little cells. So we put them in the soil packs wet, and then we will water them in, and we'll fertilize them for the next few months so they'll be ready for you to take home when the weather's warm. Impatiens are one of the first things that could freeze, so you don't plant them early.